Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tuner report and repair for Heath in Kentucky. That's RCI-63FFD4. Heath, this unit came with 8 of the RT1 MOSFETs. They were all grenaded. We pulled the board out per your request. Put a 42879 amp board in it with 4 of the hg2879s. Set the radio up as well, and she's ready to go. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down, 150 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low, 250 in the corner, 1000 watt slug in PEP. Low, and just a shade over 600 PEP. Alright Heath, it's ready to come to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bomb bomb.